Welcome once again to What's New in O-Gauge, now on its own dedicated channel. This is our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week we feature new releases from Lionel, Menards, and MTH. It may be April Fool's Day, but these products are no joke. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Lionel Trains has announced an exclusive and limited run of Amtrak Auto Train auto carriers for Mr. Muffin's trains. The cars have no road numbers applied, so you can add and number as many individual cars as you like. The cars are expected to arrive in late 2025 and have an early order price of $149.99 each. Lionel Trains will be producing two exclusive limited edition legacy Commodore Vanderbilt Hudsons for Mr. Muffin's trains, one in New York Central pacemaker colors and the other in New York Central all black. The steamers are expected to arrive in the third quarter of 2025 with an early order price of $1619.99 each. Lionel Trains will be producing an exclusive and limited edition legacy SD40T-2 diesel in Duluth, Mesabi, and Iron Range colors for Mr. Muffin's trains. The models are expected to arrive in late 2025 with an early order price of $629.99. And Lionel Trains will be producing an exclusive and limited edition Trump Bay Window Caboose for Train World. The model is expected to arrive in late 2025 and carries a pre-order price of $129.99. Menards has introduced a new O-scale Sinclair gas station with two scale vehicles. The station includes a scale die-cast 1948 Ford truck and a 1957 Dodge Swept-Side, and also includes a lighted interior and exterior canopy lights. The model requires a Menards or comparable 4.5-volt power supply, not included. The Sinclair gas station is available online now for $49.99 before rebates. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing Rail King O-Gauge 60-foot Madison-style passenger cars in 3 different schemes this fall to complement the 2025 K4 Pacifics announced this past February. Like the locomotives, these cars will be available in extremely limited quantities and are expected to begin shipping to MTH retailers in October 2025. Available road names include Pennsylvania Railroad, Long Island Railroad, and Great Northern. The cars are available in each road name as 4-car sets with baggage car, 2 coaches, and an observation car, with a suggested retail price of $399.95. A 2-car combine and diner set with a list price of $199.95, and a single coach car listed at $99.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued premier O-scale Fairbanks Morse Erie Built locomotive in New York Central colors for Mr. Muffin's trains. The locomotives will be individually packaged but sold as an AA powered dummy set. Each locomotive sports a unique cab number and will be available beginning in June 2025. The early order price is $944.96 for the pair. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued premier O-scale Husky Stack car in Norfolk Southern colors with red gold containers for Mr. Muffin's trains. The cars will be available in unique car numbers in both single and 4-car sets, each limited in quantity beginning in August 2025. The early order price for a single car is $109.95, or the 4-car sets are $399.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued premier O-scale Husky Stack car in Cancer Awareness colors for Easy Catch and Dixie Union Station. The cars will be available in 2 unique car numbers, each limited in quantities, beginning in May 2025. The early order price is $109.95 each. Summertime and t-shirt weather will be here soon. Check out these great new Made in the USA railroad-themed t-shirts from Daylight Sales for your warm weather wardrobe. Dozens of designs are available in a variety of shirt and hat styles. And remember to visit our virtual storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from some of the links in this video. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.